Hello everyone, Philip here, and today I'm gonna show you a quick implementation of ML.NET for image recognition. For those who don't know, ML.NET is an open source library created to build AI models to be used in .NET applications. I'll split this video in 5 simple steps. The first one is how to install the ML.NET extension in Visual Studio. The second step is how to build a simple application. The third step is to build the AI model. The fourth step is implement /coding, and the fifth step is use the application itself. So without further ado, let's get started.
For the first step, to install the extensions, we need first to open Visual Studio. When you open Visual Studio, go to the top of the screen and click in Extensions. Then you click in Manage Extensions. After you open the Manage Extensions menu, make sure you are in the Online tab. When you click in the Online tab, you search for ML.NET. It's gonna show all the ML.NET extensions available. For this example, we only need the Model Builder extension. You can install the other ones if you want, but you don't need to. I will not be installing it as I have done it previously. Now I'm fast forwarding the design of the WinForm application. In case you want to follow along, feel free to slow down the video. After the design process, I went online and collect images that I want to use to train my AI model. Keep in mind that you also need a bunch of images to be used to test the application at the end of the whole process. Right after designing the application and collect the image to be tested, you have to right-click on the project in the Solution Explorer side menu. There you click in Add and then Machine Learning. It's gonna pop up the Model Builder UI, where you can select between a bunch of scenarios, as you can see there. For this example, we'll be selecting Image Classification, as this is the one we are going to use. After you click in Image Classification, it's gonna show the Select Training Environment menu. There you can select between three possibilities. We'll be selecting CPU as GPU is still in preview. After that, you select the data you want to use to train your AI model. Keep in mind that you have to follow the example folder structure which is shown there. For me, I have put my folders with one with the name of Kratos and the other one with the name of Lara Croft, as those are the images I will be using to train my AI model. So when you click there, it's gonna show all the images you have choose to train your AI model. Then you can click in Next Step. In the next step, you have to click in Start Training. When you click there, it's gonna start the training process. And then the model builder will choose the best model to fit the application. There you see a message on how to consume the model, and click on Add Solution. It will add 2 projects to my solution. One is the console app as a model consumer, and the other one is the model itself. Go to Program inside the console app project. There we'll copy all those lines to consume the model. It is pretty straightforward. In my case, I want to be calling them when I click on the Classify button, therefore I'll paste them here. You have to remember to add the namespace for the model builder. As I'll be checking the image which is shown in the picture box, I'll change this line here to picture box image location so the AI can check the image which is there. After I change it, I'll be change the string which is shown in the text box that I put in my application. The first one, I want to show the prediction of the AI. The prediction of the AI is the result, which is Kratos or Lara Croft. Then I'll change the other text box to show the score the AI gives to itself, to the image it's checking. So to do that, I'll copy the line where it says the scores. You notice that the scores is a join string with a separator. In this case, it's a comma, but I'll be changing it to something else just to make it prettier at the UI. So I'll paste it here and I will change it to 2 slashes to notice it better in the UI. After that, we are good to go, and then we can run the application. In my computer, I split the images in the folder that I used to train and build the model. and another one with the image that I want to test. So I name it unknown, but that doesn't matter. So you can see that when I select one image and click on classify, the app returns what it understands about the image, with the who is in the image and the accuracy. The accuracy in the left is Kratos, and the accuracy in the right is Lara Croft. So you can see that the Kratos is 96%, Lara Croft is something below 1%. And then I will be testing a lot of images to check what the accuracy is for each side. You can see now I will test Lara Croft, and it's 0% for Kratos and 99% for Lara Croft. So the AI decides that it's Lara Croft. So that's it. Stay safe and enjoy.